Start by removing the screws of the right panel.
Next, apply WD-40 to loosen the plastic lever, then use a hammer and a rubber tool to remove the lever without damaging it.
It's best to work on the other side before removing this 12mm bolts from the slider. This seat buckle requires a 17mm socket to remove it.
As you can see, this seat buckle is not the original.
Now to remove the 4 main bolts, you will need a 14mm socket with a metal extension tool for leverage or a metal tube as seen here. Once the 14mm bolts are removed, start by disconnecting the cable from the slider level by pulling the ring that locks it.
For this plastic clip, just pull it by hand instead of using a tool because it's much faster and easier.
These bolts are not necessary to remove unless you want to replace the upper cloth. This would be the last piece to disconnect.
Time for the cleanup process of all the parts, starting with the sliders.
Check out this amazing results. And as you can see, the clips were replaced with strands instead of the rusted metal clip. This will make it easier and faster to replace again in the future.
Well, these are the results for both seats.
Well, thanks for watching until the end of this seat restoration.